Hi, what's up everyone? Welcome to another video where I'm going to talk about money. So regarding to money, I've talked about how people earn money, how you can grow the money that you earn. And in this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about transaction. So transaction is about buying things, selling things, and we are going to talk about this gun. So let us begin. So it's been 1 week since I posted my last video where I talked about money. In that video, I talked about one of my hobby, which was collecting sports card. And in that video, I put an example that I bought a card a couple of years ago, a rookie card of Jason Tatum. And lately, because of his performance and people are starting to think that he's a good player, then his value is going up. So I show you an example about that. And in this past week, I sold that card. So it's for educational purpose and I've got some profits on the side, so it's a win-win. But wait a minute, what is profit? So let us rewind back a bit. In 2018, I bought this rookie card of Jason Tatum, 4 of them, for 540,000 rupiah. And then before all this pandemic, his scoring went up very quick. So people start to think that he's a good player, so his card sold for 3,200,000. So for the purpose of this video, I tried to sell the same card in the local market. So I open up my social media and I list my Jason Tatum card for 550,000. And someone sent me a message to lower the price and I agreed for that price, which was 925,000 for 2 of the cards. So all of this number might be confusing, but let me put this in a simple way. So I bought the card for 135,000 per card, and my listed price in 2020 was 550,000 per card. But then it was sold for 412,500 rupiah per card. So from that story, you can see that I sold the card for more money than when I bought the card in the first place. So this condition is called profit. Profit is when you buy something and then in the future you are going to sell that object that you bought for more money than you pay for it. The next thing that you need to know is profit percentage. Profit percentage is kind of a standardized number where based on that number you can compare on which transaction you are going to get the most profit. So for example, I have 2 things in my hand right now. The first one is my phone and the second one is my 360 camera. So from the phone, let's say you can get like 30% profit by buying this phone and then selling to other people. And by selling the camera, you can get, for example, 50% of the profit. So which one you are going to sell? Of course, you are going to choose the camera because it's going to give you the most profit than when you are selling the phone. In the real world, it's not that simple. But now, let me share to you how do you actually calculate the profit percentage. But before you calculate profit percentage, you need to actually calculate the exact profit of the object that you sold. So let me do that right now. So my exact profit in terms of money was 550,000. I tried to sold the card in this price minus 135,000. So when you deduct the numbers, you get 415,000 rupiah. So this is my exact profit. And the next thing that you are going to calculate is the profit percentage. So profit percentage is basically your profit divided by your capital. It means the value when you bought the object and then multiply it by 100%. So my profit was 415,000 divided by 135,000 and then multiplied by 100%. You can use a calculator over here, but in this example I'm going to calculate it manually, so I hope it's not a problem for all of you. It might be a decimal, so you're going to have exact decimal. You have going to have better decimals if you are using calculator, but now I'm not going to use it. So 405 and then 10, so 100, so put 0 here. 1000, that means 8, not 8, 7, 945, so 945 means 650 means 5, no, okay, so 3.074, and then you have to multiply it by 100, so then you get 307.4%. This is approximate number, not an exact number, because we have a decimal over here. So as you can see, it's almost the same as you calculate interest, but usually interest we are going to tell in terms of rate. So interest rate means that you are calculating the interest divided by the year that you are investing your money. So you are going to know every year your money grows by how many percent. So the next thing that I'm going to explain is about loss. I'm not going to go into details at this one because loss is basically the opposite of profit. So loss is when you lose money, when you buy something and then you sell it again to other people. Although loss is the opposite of profit, but how you calculate loss percentage is the same as this one. So I'm going to let you know about that. Loss percentage is loss divided by capital times 100%. So that is loss. The next thing that I'm going to explain to all of you is about discount. I believe that you are quite already familiar with discount. So for example, when you go to a shopping mall and you see all the shops offering you some discount, for example, you can buy a 300,000 rupiah shirt with 10% discount. It means that you only have to pay 270,000 rupiah for the same shirt. Again, from my story, you must have recognized that I tried to sold the card for 550,000, but I ended up selling the card for 412,500. Again, you see, I tried to cut the value of my card so I can sell the card faster. Okay, so let me show you how do I calculate discount percentage from my story. So at the first time, you need the exact amount of discount in terms of money. So mine was 550,000 minus, eventually I sold the card for 412,500. So that means I cut the value of my card for 137,500 rupiah. And then, so this is the discount. To calculate discount percentage, you need to divide the discount with the original price and then multiply it by 100%. So discount 137,500 divided by 550,000 multiplied by 100%. So this is quite a difficult number, but the thing that I would like to do first is to calculate the 100 into the 137,500. So it will become 13,750,000 rupiah divided by 550,000. So then cross this out, so you get 1,375 divided by 55. So by 55, then you get 110, 275, and then 275. So you get quite good number, which was 25%. So the discount that I gave to the people who want to buy my card was 25%. So again, that's it for this video. You have learned about what is profit, what is loss, what is discount, how to calculate the percentage of profit, loss, and discount, and what's the usefulness of that percentage. Again, with percentage, it is going to be very useful when you are going to compare between prices. That's it for today's lesson. As always, stay awesome until the next video. Bye-bye.